Scéalmhór going ó HQ how to Gael because táimid dul ar camachúirt arís.
Táimid ar an móthir chóide bemid i London, bemid i Baris, i gCarghas, agus an Lochlia.
Two little sneaky gigs coming to your own Morine. Register for interest and earn 8 las fihid gCarghas.
I gCarghas agus down a Costco in Lochlia. Be Lynn, get a ticket, and we'll see you for spicy amárach.
Steve agus Bodro for how to Gael. I'm still there.
Agus lumsa Louise.
Well, Louise, how much you fós Baris? Give me updates or the hail, Marshall Hill.
How much you fós Lochlia? Update. Well, ein updates come fech in a rose na tá gaman sa.
Oh, Anna, yes.
Yeah,
the boy done good.
Sinead, Gael, romance is alive and well in the marriage anyway, in case you were wondering.
Okay. Well, it's Daslam Shinachlos. Tell me about your Valentine's Day crack.
Bhí deirteachta an na gum, so chuair mac gur béile ar an ine. Bhí sé sin really unmade, but you know, Dhéanamh Darmid ar cé go dasatá sé actually dull or date. I know that sounds so stupid le rá, but I'm a devil and you can attest to this, Durin.
Yes.
I go a mac gur deach le Declan and we're 2 drinks in and we're texting people, we're meeting up, we're done up. Tom would honest socialta mar huoine agus mud le chéile goal. So we were like, let's just do nothing but have a meal. Now, sorry, that's a big fat lie because we met my friends after the meal. But definitely it was really nice. Legomac, Lekeila, Erfago, or no go. Agus, you know, Sticius, go through the motions of an 8-course tasting menu.
Yes.
What would really make any couple, question a lot of things. Lekeila, Jesus Christ, like the cost of it.
Well, I'd say it was astronomical, but I will say I felt very left out. I felt like my 2 best friends had met up without me. So no, but bhí mé gáirí because bhí sa gom gretu langers because bhí tú chur messages come, but I also screenshot your story because you put up a very drunk picture of yourself and I was like, we're going to overlay this. No, because you put it in your photo dump, but a less drunk looking version. No, you look absolutely fucked. I was like, she is laggard because it's only Louise is very like, you know, she's good at taking a good photo and a bad one does not go up unless she is fucking lit. Now, this is the same woman, if you were at our live show, Bridget's Day, she's like, that's it, I'm done drinking, I'm finished for the last night out she had with Declan.
Girl, like, this is the story of my life. I am that, like, disaster zone that's like, I give it up on the Monday and then come Friday, I start, like, fizzing up with the giddiness and I'm like, oh.
I know. I know.
I guess just Neil and Will Parish in a gumsa. But can we actually overlay that picture? Because I will tell you the thought process.
Yeah, no, this is hilarious. Sorry, I love the new leather jacket, by the way. Is that coming to Paris? Yes. Oh my God, gorgeous. Because I have a new leather jacket that I also have in Paris, but it's not as nice as this one.
No, you've never seen the likes of this. This is unpurchased. It's Dania Thogumsa. And you know what?
It looks Benny, girl.
Yeah,
you can tell.
Yeah, chame piece there. But you know what? It's going to bring me into the summer. She's a lovely light leather that is going to be very durable and will go with a lot of outfits. So it was a treat. But I shot the pants like and got row excited. Mariella and Cóta Nua, Agus Curme and photo near. Then I was like, girl, that did not, like, that doesn't do the Lord's work for the photo at all.
No, well, the jacket is the shining star there because the face is giving. I had 20 points. You do, like, you look like you've like, in fairness, I don't like, and it's like, you don't take a bad photo, so you must have been fucking rat-arsed.
No, it was, you know, the Misha couldn't look to her na cocktails. Nivi in a goal in the cocktails, Rovinnick. Honestly, I'm a vodka girl. To Iskadain, I actually.
You're a vodka girl. She's officially retired from the Guinness, lads. She's done. She's finished with the pints of Guinness.
Yeah, I'm off the Guinness. Well, I'll have it. Like, yeah, I'm kind of gone back to the half pints they're in.
Point you. Well, no, the half pint is the right job because you don't have that stale bottom half of the Guinness. You little, what a friend of mine calls a little G bullet.
Yeah.
The LG bullets, get them in. And then I know it's Malin the half pints come out on bother leis na half pints na tatu susa she's getting bar and tamer fad. Ach ma tatu and round more gohin. See go him on tatu dul a goal le Declan. Like you can't be going pint for pint.
No, Toshe row hape goal. But that's Kamado. If I'm on the half pints being to an pacing.
Yes.
No,
yes.
So we little bullety no roagum riven dinner, and then we just had cocktails and wine and lots of sugary shit. And I feel like I could do a Dane tasting menu machine. There's all these different elements, like egg point to egg and to be America caviar, and I'm like, you know, I love an Aaron Grace.
Yeah.
But I was like, fucking Nina Mudigi trucka euro on dinner like a little gram of one of caviar to on rod.
Well, you know. Yin Misha tasting menu Hannah le and we did like the wine pairing like gach course and we couple of ducha going marching rimish and I got so drunk I fell asleep on course 6. I literally fell asleep at the table because there's nothing like a big full stomach and a load of drinks to put you straight. Now to get gas to Anna like comforting as a sleep, you know, and you're like, oh, I'm so good. It's like it's like a little Christmas sleep, but yeah, no, it's never do the wine tasting leis tasting menu. That's the trick.
Well, okay, the costas a bhí an Beidh. So bhí in like iarraidh as an Beidh an duine was like €100. Caite is €50, okay? Which is calculor in Marialis Gwyl she'd enough. They make a big effort to do all of their stuff is all there's this whole thing. So actually on Bíonn falling Agus gCarghas was really lovely touches, okay?
Sorry, is someone coming to arrest you for slaying too hard at your tasting course on Gardaí and something? Yeah.
That's just downtown Ballyhockley, baby. What's going on this morning? Who knows? But then if you wanted to do the pairing of the wine, it was €100 ella a nuasar sin on dinner. So I was like, fuck that.
No, fuck that.
Shouldn't be real stuff. Like even after all our cocktails and everything, I can tell you the tasting meal was nearly as expensive as the leather jacket.
Ooh, I see. Okay. Nearly as expensive as the leather jacket. Oh my God, I'm shocked. I'm shocked.
You do the wine pairing now. So there you go.
Okay. Well, look, girl, I mean, Lyle, Valentine's son, that it'll probably be another year before you get on a date just in vertigo and you haven't got a fucking million people tacked on or the cooler sin le dul a go live. So
yeah, no, we should.
You know,
Agus, Abraham Cody and Tussam where it's go graph to a mock like yeah, the mock gorja, well, our gorja. Agus and then a special there down.
No, and then is special there down. Yeah, Chame Valentine's le Argar Dara O'Keefe, who's just. Yeah. So, like just anachine shahi. So chamar an lála chéile bhí mar ggóil agus timpplair forras agus bhí annach racking agus bhí mar tréist chumar go dtí céilí an ihe riimiis actually chomá. So bhí deir seachtainna anna bhathaging a downta chéile. Agus bhí sé ri go húnta. So tá sé súil go mór go dúchtú go páras inis chun go féad le ducha bheith go chéile ach I tell you like a classic téim go páras and have I hung out with one French person? No, just like agus is scoil ar fada há láirt going am hunsa chomá so níl mo chud Frankíise tristal in éon bhasa in éair ach sinné.
Oh, well, that's the clarity of Rankish Godara, Dodara. To show, you know, I would say he's nose can than a polyglot shin. You know, I feel like he just takes to Tanganu and he's go.
I know, like such a kinder and Shannon Regish Alam Hama, but no, need. Oh, Tama, nor Hamish Dakarina Shop weeks, Martin, Tama Jenna could go or a Mirla. Sorry, if Frankish. Sorry. But no, do you know, you know what? To my point, ard Tanabas show, I think. Tá mai sásta rohan chu me go dtí an rank cúpla bliana hin gáú trí bliana hin gní an pellé ar feid cúpla seachtain chun fiásacher ar mo chud Frankíise agus kind of the clock my leis an time sin as like ní me riamh chun a bheith líomh mars carts Frankíise and that's okay. Tá mai kind of sásta leis sin. Tá mai buint anna tá mai léamh anna chud because gur nerd ulmhór é dara agus nerd ulmhór me hain chomá tá mai déanamh anna chud mallar tú de leabharthe agus clips radio stiff me an gaige so I just went anna holta sin. Do you know what I mean? So níl mai really air French buzz fell on her and that's okay.
But you need to an you know níl tú an le air French buzz so tú an gon rud ag deli enough so I suppose
exactly.
Yeah.
I just so there you go. Scéal eile a gum déis an taftan seo Louise is on little morning routine ha gum not my géisteach leis an radio or Madden, right? And chulame ar Oliver Callan. I think old Coppers tréis casa trucke nu da blian leis.
Oh, bhí sé ngach oitir lína actually chunig mé sin scata, yeah.
And I can't believe we've got 2.5 years into this podcast without me boasting about my Coppers gold card. That I had a Coppers gold card, and I'm telling you.
Go on, Conis, Agus Cowell Shanish. Do we unwill Fuina Shagun?
No, the Coppers gold card is long lost. It was, I Jaime if we go if we tree actually, because like you know the way you did handbags like Trish Ian Demach, caite, but it always made its way back to me because Visa gur lumsa on gold card, so nor hooking her nash they'd be like, oh you left your gold card here, or like Hogshire or whatever, or it'd be confiscated out the Neganella and it'd make its way back to me, but Yeah, and bhí an status symbol leis na gold cards sin 2010.
Scale. Conas are for to set on gold card. Where it's Queen Lumps now. I obviously had a very different relationship with Dublin and Fosnias because we were, in Limerick, and we would have looked the Eagrán mar coppers as an outing more. If you were Dulga coppers now, you were up in the big smoke and you were watchers rather than Marshinda. So like it used to have almost been an illusion. It's Queen Lumps and radio. We would do the competitions with coppers to win a gold card. And for us, we were like, these things don't exist at all. They're like Conisgur, Yetim can all, and you'd never actually see someone or know where they got them from. So you need to tell us the tea, and so like who was giving them out, where'd you get them from?
Well, sure, wasn't my father a guard, Louise? My father was a guard. Carl Jackson was a guard. There was all the Gardaí were, and Vishay it was around the time that Pillar Caffrey had won the All Ireland with the Dubs, and
Dad got it for you.
So my dad got it for me. My dad got it for me. I know, so cute. And, but honestly, I used to be in coppers, I'd say 3 nights a week. Like life didn't exist outside of coppers for me in Lachlea. It was, my drinking haunts were the Cobblestone, Dicey's on a Monday, and coppers every other night of the week.
Yeah, it's Queen Lum na híon town coppers, but dumsta bhí sé gcónaí like tuéis clutha, you'd be in Lachlea or faoi, and you just kind of like, I think it was like a mating ground, a communal, like such an institution. You'd know like there if you were there, we're going to meet where the Limerick gang would be, where like Andram O'Heary would be, Carghas. Agus bhí sé almost like a bit like a zoo, wasn't it? The different areas.
I knew every cunt in that club, like queuing a shach, and I would just know, like, and it was mad. It was really wild to shach, and like fech anagat or gachta it did shach latain, and you'd be like, oh grand, sure, I'm gonna know everybody, and fech anagat or gachta and you'd always have the like, the usual characters. You'd be like, I'm shifting you tonight, I'm shifting you to, right how shach, and as soon as you'd see, you'd be like, oh well, that's me sorted now if I can. Do you know what I mean? That was the level. Agus an sonas clean ner vugmar Gael a gorn PhD ner chuma her nashka coppers like Beidh vi blian mehe nu vi blian glehe mehe, and I was like, wow, this isn't my town anymore, because near I've had gomer gachtana a Lewis Gerchumashach. Now Chumerna stockedy coppers was it in Viench cotton new chav, hin? And I was like, I didn't know anybody, and I was like, oh my god, this is crazy, because like I suppose it's Deblian of Emo Ray a coppers down, but it was Anna jarring, like going into the local and not knowing anyone.
Yeah, well, I feel as well it was probably different in V2 Snowskull because it was all college going people that were there.
Exactly.
I find the only nights I've been in coppers genuinely Igfosnias were GAA nights, and like you'd be, if you were there, like Candace na him Rory, that was a gamer. Now Limerick never stayed up, so I wouldn't have ever been there with Declan, but it might have been a night of like the All Stars or Old Cod Aigan.
Yes.
In Lachlea, and you'd be ushered into a different section. You were always kept separate, so it was like the very up top floor, or into the left, and you'd feel like you'd be going in secret doors. Like if you take a goni, I suppose Marnos egg coppers, they love to fucking make the GA players like
big time. Styra Erfad was where the action was happening.
Coming up to the top of the queue, like there was no gold cards. We didn't have them, but I suppose if you were out Ledina, him Rory, you'd skip the queue.
Oh yes.
You're
big time.
That no one else can get into for some reason. Let's stamp a egg and like.
Yeah. Oh, I mean, talk about giving people fucking notions about themselves. This is the thing. I mean, it was what I imagined the P fucking Diddy parties in LA.
Do you know Carghas sé though? Egg point Egan is Queenlum, right? And it went from the GA, like the All-Star nights, going to Coppers, to going to Crystal. And I'm going to say the Dubs were in the middle of their 5 in a row. And for some reason it changed to Crystal. And my favourite Crystal. It was like,
I don't know, near me.
Fucking Tullog, Bon, Darug.
Yes.
I think all the pics are Lena. And they used to get at the top section.
I can tell you I never darkened the door of that place because I was like, that's not my vibe. I honestly, I was never in Crystal. I'd never darkened the door. Coppers was like the country disco, but Crystal, no dice. But look, I mean, táimid lua chomá. It's in Coppers is bhfuil Shiva le Cahill. So, I mean, a place of great romance. I think every heartbreak I had, either ish seachtaine Agus, fiche trí gur hála siad ar fad in Coppers.
Sure, look, if the walls could talk.
If the walls could talk, girl. If the walls could talk.
Sell.
I'm telling you. But anyway, ní hé sin.
Days are done.
Our copper day. Well, never say never. That leather jacket deserves an outing to Coppers. Don't leave it in the cloakroom because you'll never get it back.
I was just going to say it's not. No, that's going to no cloakroom. That will stay on me.
Yeah.
No, I wouldn't trust it. Got Copper's cloakroom either.
No, I know. Chail me se annachchuid málaí agus cótaí go dtí Copper's cloakroom. But anyway, look, it was worth it. Buiad. But okay, rugby housekeeping, of course, lads. Táimid full video. Cé go bhfuil míad a cían agar. This is our last episode cían agar, which is good news. We'll be back le chéile go luath, so nábí bortha. That we're full video. Táimid our Patreon. If you want to join us over on Patreon, you can have a little listen to the crack and stuff.
Anyway, there was this one stain that was besting me out anyway, so I'm like hanging out the window, trying to get to it anyway. Lo and behold, this is fucking has blown my mind, okay? I find an etching, a name etched into the window pane from 1884.
No.
From 1884, no Darren tingles down the spine, right? Agus a nádéon darmid go bhfuil ticéidí ar díal chuma dar giganna an éireann agus Harlar, we're ag dollar mógar ag súla mór leis. Obviously, first stop is Paris. Ar an Darren.
Gay Paris.
Come here, I need to ask you something.
Go on.
Talk me off the fucking side of the cliff here.
Go on.
Tá cuine grúige go amárach. Amárach is an mórt.
Yeah.
It's when you'll be a géisteach leis an epsa a chorda. It's a teachtú lá déag the V fiara, aka the Lunar New Year. Okay? Which is fine. All grand. Full head of highlights are booked. Want to get it done riv on Deirdre because I'm going to Paris for doing the shows, etc. Hánig rud éigen suas ar my algorithm a rare, and it was like things not to do on the Lunar New Year. Do not wear black or white. Do not cut your hair or get your hair done. It's cutting off financial something. It's like a bad omen. Do not say do X, Y, no Z. So anyway, Anish Thomas Shahish doll, she is rabbit hole, and I'm like, am I listening to some stupid 30-second video about the Lunar New Year and cancelling my full head of highlights because I'm this superstitious? No, I got them just landing to Eagrán. But then do I rue the day that I'm in financial fucking bother? Lena.
I think that the signs with the financial bother are the very expensive coats and the very expensive dinners. Not before. Nabí Borja.
Hair of the 17th.
Nabí Borja, you're already fucked. You're You're poor.
No.
Yeah, no, Nabí Borja, Louise. Also, stop. Like, yeah, you can't adhere to every single cultural fucking pishog. Like, your culture one agus clídeis. I'm not giving. I like Chinese, great bunch of lads, but I'm not Neil Maidul and Aklesh in Lunar New Year because I have enough fucking paranoia may hang now at Torjara the Gachardella.
They sure. In Mahoney in China, you know, I thought I'd.
Oh, sure, of course. How could I forget fucking the karate master herself, Hylansa.
Do you know what though? Like, I genuinely was Lena a rare like goodie. I would say a large manly, and I was like, Louise, are you fucking actually googling reasons not to get your highlights done on the Lunar New Year? Like, you can't change the appointment; it's in the booklet. You know, I saw that like the time is set aside in it. I'm like, just fucking daine.
Yeah, no, just do it. Yeah, but just daine.
Borafui, I'm tempted to change. I'm like, well, I like it's Neil and Gruig rogue on it. I could get away with it. I could throw toner in, but like.
I'd say now, Louise, you've little to be worrying yet. You've little to be worrying now. Masishin atá Kirshachart.
I know. I thought I Kirshachar.
Okay, well look, you'll figure it out. You'll be all right. Are for the jeans new, by the way? I saw these are all over your Instagram again weekend.
Oh, Carghas, yeah, these are new Chumaya citizens. I actually yen me sale shopping. Aaron Deirdre agus Nina V voucher go méis an nolog, and I was like, I'm going to go now because I thought cúpla rodig tastálium for a show atá McTafford. There was nothing for that boss, but cúpla rodig thumbs down.
Fair play.
Yeah,
you're dead right. Well, near door maker handshake lum. I just said it. They mean.
Oh.
No, it's my maga. That's not it.
For them, Achara.
Oh no. Yeah, you'll try. You hear what you want to hear, girl. Now come here. You're in the middle of plugging our tour. Come on, keep going. So tell me, go Paris and Tafton Schooling, Cadella.
Paris, London, Imi Vorte, Agus and Shane Rashnare, and these are the ones that lads were going to be having massive parties after.
Oh, we're very excited.
Gig in the Opera House. There's actually only limited tickets, Falka. So Mona will the Hicade fight got Agus to Ladaha Iguigamoon. Go Erlina Nish. There's links in all of these show notes. Agus our Lano Ginsta. And then Malio Clea. Our Gosher Nakoska. Now we'll have to be brand new fab for that. You know. It'll be in the Ambassador, the Sunday, bank holiday. Sorry, we could end up in Copper's Nation. Very likely.
Oh, very likely. Oh, well, we're out in a big way. Out in a big way on Deirdre Shafton Shin. But I still go more less.
Yeah, Michelin. So the couple ticket are fall, Chuma, Erlina.
Come along, see Louise's new fancy new coat and her new head of highlights. You won't want to miss it. On topic an tatan seo is how to abstain. Agus sé seo sparcha ag bhfuil tá Carghas a tusnú amárach. Ach, tá me an gCarghas, Louise, because he made dry January. And I genuinely think I've broken myself because, listen, no more like yourself, a great woman for a few pints. Ach, stop my gold on me. And inish just níl an cheann gum. I couldn't be arsed. Like, I'm usually the last woman to leave any party. I like, all I need is like just a little push and I'm out for the night, you know. Ach inish, I'm a real 2 or 3. I'm a 2-3 drink girl. Even vi my mohigan egg and weekend now, in fairness, vi mar gold and lar fad. But it just got to a certain stage of the night and I was like, no, and just fill my sparkling water near my geary tilladuch. And not only that, ach na leihananta náfuil méid exercising. Like níl méid dhéanamh méid céna ibre, níl méid like ní bhraham cho.
Iarraidh Abby, they're in.
I know. At the ripe old age of 32.
What do you towards faoi?
Because it's just annoying. Like it's like, you know, it's níl méid geary a bheith boring mar seo, but it's just. Like ahani me hain, like Sarah Husney mar tafa direct meg large shachter madden chu me ri had my share and stuff because I was like, no, I just know gemeg love ad nis fargo my yinim shin. And I Beidh, maybe I finally cracked the code of like exercise and stuff, because I'll go through a spurt near the time I really come out and then I'll just not do it. But now me current it doesn't affect my mental well-being, like near, do you know what I mean? Whereas inish Braham go bhfuil sé actually cursed out. So this is the thing that everybody's been talking about. I think owner umpig me trucado Beidh or Harlan Tahu show, but I was vi me howl in New York and I was going 100 miles an hour, so near hog my Nara egg and grab deshagum actually see sheer, and I'm like, oh no, I actually do have to do these things now to like feel normal, you know?
Yeah, well, 100%. Agus bíonn sé mar sin domsa gcónaí, so like tigam on rod sin, I have to, my head would be fucked if I wasn't ag déanamh an dá rod. So like I do get that, but I think as well bhí tú just beidir I dréimh se saoil éagsúla nurig, you know, and you were like ag déanamh and stuff eile agus kind of, I don't know, leaning into the fiantas of like an saoirse agus gCarghas bhí tú, you were really in your like creative buzz, like you were tastal timp na crine.
Yeah,
it's probably just part of that rock and roll sort sail of you got said, you were leaning into the torment, the hangover was part of the, you know, we'll drive through it. I just think Beidh will schedule Ibrin difriúla got the nish agus ruddy ella le Jane have got, and it's just changed on Cadre Shinatá got leis.
Well, there you go.
To couldn't stop it go home long.
No, well, big whale or shin. But it's just funny. I'm just not. Like, I can't remember the last time I had a chlog or madden that I'm like, okay, I'm done now, I want to go home. I'm usually like I'd usually always keep going to down a 3 o'clock, you know what I mean? And then and keep the crack going. But I just shag, or even on Lafayette, the Mertachtavala, and people were getting kebabs, and I was like, no, I don't want kebabs. Ew, I'm not putting that into my. What is wrong with me?
Girl, you're in your holistic era. But like fun now, Beidh just nach bhfuil aine I Boris that's much crack as me. Maybe you'll have to wait till I come over. You'll be able to.
Well, we'll see. We'll test it. Really and truly in their land all it. But yeah, the Samu. Now it's also Beidh culture. Oh, in the Frankia, like it's not a crazy place. Now, apparently they have raves in the catacombs, here, which would be fucking insane. I'd love to go to one of those raves. That's like bucket list stuff to do. But But
also maybe like we're just ag fosníos and touching our dachra, you know, on Dara the end of like Jesus was in the horrors there in Saharan Hve Goler Nina like Neil sin on Neil on rebound or whatever it is coesca sinna hilla Arian to Neil Shinna and fresh and like Don fucking Cola Tavachtach, you know, caite
Cola is a big thing. Cola is a big thing, yeah.
So we should Neil should lay really, but I have stuff for Instagram because they're leaning real or cortisol. It seems to be coming up everywhere, and these like cortisol spikes. I mean, like mana, it's the hormone that will spike your mod and agus to a guy gona or being cortisol spike down. But like how that's so as soon as you're a goal, agus like Jane of stuff. Like you're dead right. There's obviously science behind that productivity thing. Sure, here and then you have to be iarraidh glue on mod and they're young. Like you're not switched on the same way. You're obviously, you know,
No, totally. And it's an ahraidh more. I feel like I have now transit. You know, when you're in your 20s and that stuff doesn't affect people. And then I kept hearing from people, oh, once you turn 30, that changes. But it didn't really change for me. But now I think, bhfuil an ahraidh saol trísh tacht. Rudella gra me abstaining, because I am very into my holistic health, and I've gone to see a lot of homeopaths and ruddy mar sin. Like, I will always, má tá rud a chuirsteach I will always try and go down the natural route. Sarah Larome lemo struchtúr to see, you know, mieller medicines mar sin, and just kind of féchar a slíbeid or níos, I don't know. I try to avoid taking harsh medicines. But anyway, couple of blian ó hin, chu me getting homeopath, agus dúirt a abstain on coffee. She was like, you don't need coffee. I had really bad period cramps, actually. Well, not really bad period cramps, but I would get cramps for my period. And I haven't had coffee. You know, I'm not a coffee drinker. I drink matches. I drink tea. I hadn't had coffee in years, and I don't get any cramps or anything for my period. It never bothers me. Now, I get really bad sugar cravings. That's something that I notice like a couple of days beforehand. But anyway, I've been back on the coffee. My little routine now, how my Helen so is I have a cup of coffee and a croissant every morning, and then at lunchtime I might have a little cup of coffee and a pastry. I know. I'm averaging 2 pastries a day, which is great. But oh yeah, exactly. No, and then they're so delicious. Yeah. But anyway, my period came the other day, and fuck me, I was out for breakfast actually, like Colleen, and I had a croissant and a cup of coffee, and the me keep egg and cramps. I was like, oh my god, I was like, what the I didn't know what was happening, and then I was like, oh, I'm just have to get my period, and it's bad for the morning. And it's fine. And I forgot. This is why I stopped drinking coffee, because it gave me really bad period cramps. It's just been so long since I've been like on the coffee buzz. And actually, Harley in the Carghas, she abstained from coffee and totally cured her of period cramps. So there you go.
Yeah.
The other, like, it's mad what these things are doing to you without realising it.
I know, yeah. Tá coffee simul like nach bhfuil sé. But bhí like leabhart le duine le daoine actually ceanna chóide tá go mar ruchtúr, and they were like, I was saying, I need to stop having black coffee on an empty stomach, or mad and Mariella and cortisol, blah blah. Yeah. And they were kind of saying, you know, go puinte being quit and stuff show like kind of trend. They go through trends. You remember like cúpla bliain when the most important thing would be, if you don't have your breakfast, is the most important meal of the day.
Oh, yeah.
And cúpla bliain it was like intermittent fasting is the way to go, and then
yes,
it was cortisol spikes in the morning, don't drink coffee. So I suppose on rud is mó ná a bheith moderate le gacrod, you know, moderation agus gan a bheith probably, I would say like our coffees in the morning are probably not doing the same damage that the 20 pints the night
before. 100%. 100%. But that is probably something that's somewhat like, because of course a log duk amach is lena pancoga agus day after is Katie and Ludwig. I'm not a religious girl, but you know, some people here might be doing Lent. I even if you're not religious, I think people try to do Lent as like a little bit of a challenge. The Catholic 75 hard, as I dubbed it, rare nervy mer county show. So, but your little coffee in the morning is something that adds up, because it's tasha chodair, and it, you know, tasha, it's a little treat, but it's also a big expenditure.
Yeah, but I couldn't in a million years abstain from it. It's a lifeline. If I'm not having
you love coffees.
Actually, yeah. Actually, do you know what it is for me? It's the ritual of it. I love the ritual of my cup of coffee, walking to work through Stephen's Green. If I'm Lou Armadin, if I'm on, I'll put in my AirPods, I'll do an extra lap. I like to do that for myself, Armadin, before I tear into an office of people.
Yeah.
And it's like the ritual of an cup on the Rodaigan das shin. For me, I like getting it on my way to work. So I don't think I'd abstain from that. I don't know about Lent and when I'm going to Rodaigan. I think I will on sale Dak or Rohan. Neil Fat. Really a toss new Neil found a gum Einrod Neil found or Irias Einrod.
Okay, because I was going to ask you, because I know you're kind of I mean, not to get into the whole fucking religion thing, because we've battered that ram so many times, but you're a little bit more of the you know, tradiisiúnta ó thaobh, you know, Catholicism beidir ná mar bheith mise. So that's where you stand there anyway. You're not.
Yeah, like, and I mean, I don't, you know, it's the same way, like, I won't be going to mass to get my ashes on Ash Wednesday. Like,
yeah,
I don't know, like, I'll say my few prayers. I won't be changing anything about the way that my relationship with spirituality during Lent, I don't think, to be honest. Actually, I suppose, like, it is Gadas to use it as a marker, I don't know, 40 days to try something. If I was a dhéanamh rud éigent of winto my hail or a níos farg rud éigent, I'd actually agus sé ráide ag microphone and I'm like, she's dead right. I need to get rid of some of the phrases I'm a gúsáid go rovinnig. Mar hapla cuid an folklore tágam. Úsáid an frása, I'm wrecked. A wad rovinnig. And that, I think, you know, if you're saying something all the time, it's like a crutch thing. Oh my God, I'm wrecked. Like, I'm flat out. I'm wrecked. I'm flat out.
Yeah.
And with to a rog, like, you are, like, I don't know, not manifesting it into being, but I'm like, I need to just fucking stop saying shit like that.
I know the story you'll be telling yourself.
I'm like, úsáid an focail sin. Yeah, on frása sin go rovinnig. So, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to iarraidh. This is actually going to be adiachar, a rog, when I'm just flat out, I get wrecked. That law.
Okay, well, okay, good. I'm going to be monitoring you now for this and see kind of sorry in that.
I like her stock and out chin like Tom Banaha, you know, Tom Buick, well, I'm sure ganohach. Adric on reframe it, girl. Beanius Darfy for you, Beidh, you know.
Okay.
Is there Rod Aiken down? I presume there has to be psychology.
No, there is. There definitely is. And Gael, you are the story you tell yourself. So anything leis sin go homlan. But I just a big simagum now fechan kind of sorry in lat leis sin because you love tuairte mafia or kecho busy so that too.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. And so she actually like I find I'm annoying myself saying it. I'm like, oh my God, if someone was a raw and timer fad dumpster, I'm going to them flat out, them co-wrecked. So no. Tom Banahan, lads, Tom delighted about co-canohawk.
Oh, fair play.
I got a cartús le mohail nu anish mar churciach. I go side and blast churciach.
Okay. Well, look, I mean, what you want to take up for Lent is your own business. But like, what's the carrot?
Huh?
What's the carrot? I was saying, like, why do people give things up for Lent?
Sure, why do people give things up at all?
Is it what, to show God that you love him?
No, I think it's because Jesus suffered, didn't he, for 40 days and 40 nights.
So you I think
you're a Dane of Shin, Goody and
to yourself. Yeah. In memoriam of Easy Christ. So then if you similar
40 days and 40 nights. I don't know, I suppose it's like also maybe like something that like it's also I think as people who are so privileged in the lives we lead, you know, we have so few worries really and truly. Like when you look at everything that's going on in the world, maybe it's a top 40 days to reflect on like everything we have, how abundant our lives are.
Okay.
And many people find that like it's
well, you know, sure for us, similar to my Lev a memoir Edna O'Brien for her, and she talks a lot about, you know, when via no sound go try to shoot to an earring, like Damar they has to go hug an iarraidh lachla rod, or you know they'll be like, oh please God now Louise gets on well and the hairdresser's getting her half head tomorrow, you know, that ganidity truska or feigen law or lay or a feig seachtaine or whatever, and they'd fast. They'd fast for like as a kind of hopefully as like kind of an offering, I suppose, to their like that might have extra weight behind their prayer.
Yeah,
which is mad.
I know, but on Will Rud Aiken down, is it like I think there's something powerful about that spiritually, like because you're proving to yourself, gur féidir leat a bheith, you know, díanamh that you can. There's something I don't know.
But that's like that's like that inherent thing of like Catholicism is you need to suffer, you know.
Well, I suppose like you're suffering for something you
believe in,
or want, you know, like I don't like, you know, I think people suffer like that in solidarity with people. Like there's the, you know, people who hunger strike, who do things like that. I think that like maybe it's a show of your determination to really that you believe so deeply in something.
Yeah. Okay.
To go without because you'd rather, you know, I don't know. I think there's a power. It's a powerful thing to do. I don't know if I'd actually. Isn't it dreadful? I often think like that I'd love to be able to do a fast and should do it for something. Yeah. Talking to the Ella Daoine, actually, I'm sure I can say it. Tara Kushnadig was a raw just gur yen she fast like seachtaine dó uirichlog na rudagans merchant just for mental clarity that he wanted to challenge himself to see could he do it. And he had all these different thoughts and different people he was thinking about that were kind of driving him on at the time. And I suppose his like the fact he was in a privileged position to be able to do it safely was something that.
Wow. So he fasted for 72 hours.
Yeah. Couldn't believe it. I know, and he was rolling just gur hánig like mental clarity all over there your hall or whatever. I was like, it's incredible. Now, I think we should badly say Agus Beidh will couple of laws Sarah got dhéanamh. I don't know, could you be working and trying to.
No, you couldn't be working, yeah.
but like I think it is. There's an awful. I don't know if it's spirituality or what it is, but it's a serious mind power to be able to do it. I think, isn't it?
Yeah, geez, I'd be very interested now in that. And does that actually give you mental clarity, or is that just something that people say?
Massively.
Right, similar. Well, I mean,
because your body goes into what? Like, is it ketosis? I don't know what happens anyway. And it starts like. I'm sure like Neil and Oleach they're all to come, but like Beidh what's rather well on Oleach and actually what's rather well lena aghaidh that is a faster into this, because I know that it's a big thing. Please, you know, fog doctor, let us know what the crack is. How clear is this clarity? Is it worth it? Do we get off the pints and on the fasts?
There you go. Okay, right, there you go. You can fast from the pints or you can fast from the food. Let us know. Here's one now for you. Would you do any meditating or in Carghas?
Yeah. I'd love to be Miss Far. Okay,
yeah. Tá mai géirí challenge with this. Now, you have great willpower, I have to say. Tá tú anna tá self-discipline mahagat, you know. So, tá mai actually fairly dóchsach the show, but tá mai dhéanamh amach that we will me challenge la chéile. So tá mai chun chur airt a rudí in ever fag an Carghas, and you can tell me to do something or fag an Carghas. Right. So I'm going to challenge you to the meditation. I'd love for you to do start off baby steps, just know what's the law, sit in silence, do some box breathing. What I always do when because I feel like Beidh meditation mar straachil chun tús is, you know, the way nursing and you've all these massive thoughts in your head. I like imagine that I'm like taking a big breath in through my nose, and then I'm pushing all of the thoughts out through my mouth, and like I visualize that every time I'm meditating. Then I take a big deep breath in by my nose, and every deep breath I take in, I'm bringing in goodness, and I see the goodness like come into my brain like a light beam, and then I push out all the thoughts, and I do that for a minute. So mas féile sinna inmh gach maidin ar feadh nómad le túsacher, and you're like visualizing just getting rid of all of your thoughts. I think that's a really, really good place to start. And then in tachtan chuing, you could like kink it up a notch or put it up a notch by like kink. How to kink? I don't think. Yeah.
So
exactly, and then you can move it up to 3 or to 2 minutes, and then like, geez, by the end of the Lent, you could be doing 5 to 6 minutes meditation a day, and that'd be great. I think people turn themselves off meditation because being siad géirí denom with meditation in avantus, which is insane. That's like never having run before and trying to run a 10k, you know.
Tosig gamal. Okay,
yeah.
Well, Mish Sauce Lashin, challenge accepted. Okay, ditcha, right? So I suppose I'll make to rash the valley lilin on Carghas. No, well.
Yeah, big dhéanamh.
Okay, so caite tú dul go wrong agent. Okay, it's coming on caint source wrong. It could be like a life drawing class, could be a cookery class, could be a knitting class, could be a dancing class. Caite tú wrong the horse agent current orha. Agus caite tú dul. I'd love you to report back from like, I don't know, like a life drawing class or like a...
Yes, okay.
Like just cur wrong again. Beidh Jane Shin of wrong quiche, obviously. I wonder how you'd fare with that.
There's actually a little pottery place. She's in Voher Gefela pottery classes, you know, so I might try that.
Go hauling and bring us back the old Delph.
There you go. Okay. Shin challenge má Louise. We'll check in lo sin and tachtan schuing. Okay, well churmer na ceisna ar na héisteoirí Louise agus diarmar artha a minsid a dhéanamh an Carghas. Anna chud dtína hána siad arás, and they were like, tá siad the thugann suas nós na nua. You know what they say, not din nós agus not brish nós, so I don't know. But anyway, so dirt circling, hoping to quit my job and get a new one if that counts. Yes, it does. Go on. You're going straight to heaven on that. Taking up the tin whistle. I know, very cute. You can meet up with Louise and she'll play the spoons for you. Shulo gach law in gach, I'm sure. Tracy, what you need is a dog. A dog will get you out twice a day, every single fucking day, regardless. And they're actually great for that now, in fairness. So get yourself a dog. They're very cute as well.
So shout out to Darren's parents who are doing Himalach, as she swans around Paris like she's meditating, but you know Kevin's walking and picking up the poop.
I know, no, that's so true. Yeah. No, I'm so committed to my little Nelly bug. But no, that is very true. My parents are minding my dog for the month while I'm away, and they're great. But I minded their dog for the month while they were away.
Fair play.
So it's a two-way street. Okay, der Paul, na silk put purples ach níl muínach. Now, Paul, what I did nervy in Paris was I actually took up smoking Vogues to look very chic, drinking my wine and cheese. I got a packet nervine mulligans and so cardulum. So Louise, we might get another packet while you're here, just for
aesthetic. Look, it's like
just for the shits and giggles. The vogues are so thin. I don't actually know is it really like smoking a fag, because you know the way after you smoke a fag. I'm not a smoker, so if you smoke a fag, you feel a bit sick after, or you feel, or you can tell the next day that you've smoked a fag. With the vogues, you don't really notice.
Yeah,
because they're so small. So that's what so Paul,
anyway, Ram, you had your little Audrey moment.
Oh, there you go.
An Aperol spritz, so look, it was worth it.
So there you go. So Paul, so you can give up the fags, Paul, and I'll take them up for you, just for the month, and then Siobhan binned the vape last. Siobhan said that she binned the vape last night. More to do with Chinese New Year, really, but Lent is the immediate goal. No. There you go. So Siobhan, talk to Louise there, your Chinese sensei. Is that an Aishin Fuckle?
I think it will rud aiken down. Do you know what? It's Lena, I think Grevan chat in a good Beidh or Patreon on Tacht and Caite, Marialler Blean the Goppel, I think it's all in Lena, and how that reacts to the type of animal you are in Chinese culture. So I don't know, like, was there other go will to Pashoga Sulum that like she will find meaning in anything. If it's Blean the Goppel, I'm like, oh well, you know. So I find, you know, it's anyway, like you say, we've enough going on with all the different rounding.
I'm finding it hard to keep up with my pagan calendar, Shachas, bring the Chinese into the scale. But anyway, fair play. Okay, Balach. Now, sure, Della, Miela and Rutcher Father Frank. Now, by the way, in all of these answers, nobody said that they were actually giving up anything of substance. Dorothy no want chocolate, actually, I think. So okay, fair enough. You're going to heaven. But like, I love all these little fucking loopholes with like daoine chama, like, oh, take Sundays off, take St. Patrick's Day off on Carghas.
Like, sure, this is it. Like, and also I feel, you know, the annoying thing about this, right, being, I know we're doing the 40 days of suffering, like our Lord, okay?
Yeah. Oh Lord.
Oh Lord. But like, actually, there's a song called Temperature by Pitbull, and in the middle of it he goes, oh Lord, and every time I hear it now on radio, no Aenrod, I can't not sing it in a fucking North Kerry accent. God, I'll have to.
Oh Lord, you'll have to come to the show if you want to know what that joke is. You got to come to the live show.
But like, is 40 days even enough to like kick a habit? Do you know, Neeliscum? So like,
yeah,
are you at anything? They say it's Shaskalon or Shachtala. So like, I don't know, dhéanamh and Carghas, so you're just doing it in vain. You're going to stop on Paddy's Day anyway for a load of pints and an ice cream. You should
there you go. Did you have a Lent box?
Never have a Lent box, like a trocar box.
No, like a Lent box. So the other way, like, we might have got sweets sometimes if we were like,
oh, you big salvag akron.
Yeah, and you'd be saving up the sweets.
No, ni rev, no.
Yeah. No, we used to always have the Lent box, and then we'd be dipping into the Lent box the whole time as well.
I do remember us having the trocar though and robbing from it.
Oh yeah, no, I used to rob from the trocar box too. Very bad. Very bad.
I don't know. Did we ever send the trocar away? Like, there was a trocar box going in our house for ages, like, holding like coins.
Really not good. We better do Lent. We have a lot of sins that we need to make up for. Yeah.
I don't know. I revolutioned the candle machine there in Grafton Street Church the other day.
That's a great job. The old revolution for the old tap for the candles.
Yeah, and I'm surely Aenrod the V, like, anything that I'd stolen from the historic trocar box, I probably revolutioned back. Tom Morris. She was only pennies.
That's sweet. Only pennies. There you go. Sweeping statements by Louise Canton. You're dead right, Louise. Yaps and seachtaine le Lulu.
Okay, well, yup na seachtaine. You know, Raunig Misha on Stranua Egalisa McGee. It's called How to Get to Heaven from Belfast. Dort does it there in Gur, just there to her Epawan and you gave up. Go a rasher. It's Gama.
Yeah. I'll try a reach. You know me now, I hate sitting down and watching TV series. Like, it just does nothing for me. It's Malam, I'd be more inclined to watch a movie, not Strat Telefisha. But I will try. Did my episode a do.
A movie, you know, Ton Eps, Gara de Rohin, so being to just buying 3 of these.
Okay.
Gas, like, a lot of the characters, you know, Derry girls, and there's Screwfeg, which I think is, the humour is kind of, it's very Belfast.
Okay, I'm very Belfast. Okay, Yaach na seachtaine. Rudger Hogue me Finara. I'm getting loads of rolls over here. Okay. My usual roll is gonna ban me like I'm lowen, which is the Vietnamese like chicken roll. A big size baguette, like larger than the big deli baguettes going to an airing. It's kind of the medium size baguettes in airing. You know, not a very large French stick, but not the large deli rolls, like somewhere in between.
Yeah.
Full of vegetables, full of chicken, €6. And I can't get over on price, just in the rolls and so. The baguettes are a million times nicer, ná mar tá siad néiring, and stuffed to the brim le toppings. Agus tá sé a bhd ní sir ná mar tá siad néiring. So Yacht na seachtaine is the price of rolls in éireann. I think the price of a deli roll is obscene, and I also heard that deli ham is a massive carcinogenic now, classified by the EU. So there you go.
Yuck.
Glúis seachtainna lú, Mart na hinide, Shrove Tuesday, Cédain na Luthrig is Ash Wednesday.
Carghas is for Lent. Etrusca is fasting.
Anna bha ahrí sin ceann má now gurn penance. Agus stéanna, which is abstinence. So conas a bheith stéanna ó rud, how to abstinence. Abstain, I mean, good leis Gael.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Sinead Wenger doing Tachtan Shaw. By next week, we'll have done our little live show at Paris. Ma tatu in Paris. Come along. Link is in our bio. We'd love to see you.
Sinead, Sulu Morlesh. And there in the next time I'll see you. Saphir Hale. It'll be en français, bébé.
Oh, oui, au revoir. Bijou.